So I did my basic dental training at King's College London, and then I decided after a few years to leave general practice, and I decided to become a specialist. So I did my specialist training at UCL in 2012. What I love about prosthodontics is that it just encompasses so much of dentistry. It ranges from people with severe tooth wear, where the teeth are really worn down and flattened, so you're doing a reconstruction of their mouths, to having implants where people have lost teeth and you're now replacing them with implant treatments.
Probably what I enjoy most is the smile in a day concept. This is a concept that their teeth are in a bad way, or they've got loose dentures that they can't eat with it, they're always moving around in their mouth, and they want something that's fixed in their mouth. And the smile in a day concept is fantastic for them, because it's a concept where in one day, actually most of the times in one morning, they can take out teeth, place some implants in on the same day, in the same session, and then give them a whole row of teeth on those implants straight away. So they get a full mouth of teeth that look great and work really well in one visit. It just gives them such a drastic change to their appearance, to how they look, how they feel, and confident in themselves, and with something that's fixed in their mouth straight away.
With implants, they're placed in, they're accepted by the body, and they become part and parcel of who you are. The training process got us to treat the most complex and compromised cases, and it gave me a skill set that will stick with me for the rest of my life. Working in such a highly skilled team just makes that patient and treatment so much better.